Nice to get out of my house for a while because I have 2 grown-up sons and a granddaughter, and every time
they'll be moving in with you now.
Well, it's not that they're not allowed. They will be invited over whenever the need arises. But every time the rent goes up, another child moves home with a partner, and So I'm glad that now, actually, if I do come out, it's one less person in my home, so it's more space for. Because every parent is going through that now. Children are coming home, they can't afford the rent, they can't afford mortgages. So at least I have somewhere to go. But my granddaughter will be there, and my nephew and nieces are looking very forward. And Christy said that his children and his grandchildren love being able to come in and out. So
So what's the accommodation like? Is it all right?
It's actually nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, believe you me, I mean, I'm upgrading. Believe you me, it is just 3 bathrooms.
Wow.
Yeah. No, I mean.
Christy said there was no flat screen TVs or anything like that.
Oh, there's nothing like that. There's no even UPC connection.
Oh God.
It's Fairview. But and that's one thing I've noticed. Well, I haven't watched telly in a week. You just don't get the time. So maybe that's something I might learn. Maybe I did watch too much TV, but I found it relaxing. But it's nice coming from a house where there's 1 bathroom and there's a permanent queue. It's nice. We'll see. Christy said it was noisy, but it's noisy where I am because I'm on a main road with the traffic lights continuously blinking and flashing and. So I'm looking forward to it, and I also realise that it's an honour, but it's a huge responsibility as well. So I want to continue to remind myself of that responsibility that I've taken on.
Okay, all right. Listen, thank you very much for coming in. We appreciate it. Thanks a lot.
Thanks very much.